So another important chapter here, another important chapter of grade 9 is about moles, stoichiometry. So in moles, there are children have to remember certain small tricks, certain short tricks, certain formulas. For example, first one, if I tell about this is called percentage purity. First one is percentage purity. It is the 100, whether the percentage amount is 100% pure or not, how much percentage impurity is there. So this is the formula with the help of which we can find the percentage purity. Mass of the pure compound in impure sample by total mass into 100. So this is called percentage purity. Another formula is how to find percentage yield. How much percentage? So this is the formula. Actually, any product found practically is always any found practically is always less than expected theoretically. For example, if you mix A plus B theoretically, you will get C. For example, the mass of C is 6 gram. This is on paper, on paper, on paper. But practically, when you will combine A plus B, you will get C. But it should be less than 6. It should be always less than 6 gram. So this is the formula. Percentage yield is nothing but actual mass obtained by calculated mass into 100. Next one. Next slide. So for example, we have got I have an example from past paper. An experiment is having 100 grams of salicylic acid, and it is giving you this much amount of aspirate. What is the percentage yield? So these are the certain steps. So first one, what is in a very simple way. First of all, whatever the mass, this is the mass of this, and this is the 100 gram of salicylic acid gives you this much. So what is the percentage yield? First one is salicylic is the MR of this is 138 and aspirin is 180. So I want to convert them into moles. So number of moles of this one, number of moles we are converting, because the formula for the number of moles is equal to mass given mass. And actually I'll tell given mass by MR or AR. What is MR? Relative molecular mass. AR is relative atomic mass. Mass I must write given mass. So we have to find, first of all, we have to find their moles, number of moles of salicylic acid and number of moles of this one and the mass. So here the equation, this 100 gram is 100 by 138, so you will get 0.725 moles of this. And we calculate the mass of aspirin is 1 mole of aspirin gives you in the equation. If we write in equation, so 1 mole of this will give you 1 mole of this. So that will be equal. Equal number of moles will be there. Same number of moles. So we multiply this 0.75 into 180 gram, because the mass is 180 gram. Because if you want to find the mass, you have to multiply these two. So given mass is equal to moles into MR. So finally, when we multiply, we'll get 130 gram. But here, calculate the percentage. If you want to calculate the percentage, we got the mass we got is 130. Actual mass you have here is 121. So it's 121 by 130 into 100. The answer is this one. Now we have got another equation again. Another equation, aluminum is combined with oxygen and form aluminum oxide. Okay. So these are the questions the students can solve by themselves. The method will be same. What is the percentage yield? Next question. Here, same. Another question is here. Another question. So these are the questions to be solved. Now, if I want to talk about some other things related to this. What is the solution? Solution is nothing but solute plus solvent. And what is solute? The less material which is to be dissolved. Solvent means the more material which we dissolve a small amount. And solvent generally is liquid. It may be gas, it may be solid also. What is concentration? Concentration is what amount of solute you are dissolving in solution. How many moles? How many moles of solute you are dissolving in solution of 1 liter of solution. So the unit for this is moles per decimeter cube. Moles per decimeter cube. Decimeter cube. So 1 decimeter cube is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. 1 decimeter cube is equal to 1000 or 1 decimeter cube is equal to 1 liters. Is same as. So 1 mole is 1000 is 1 mole per decimeter cube, 2 mole is 2 mole per decimeter, 0.5 mole is 0.5 moles per, 1 mole is 500 is, it will be just double of 200. Because 1 mole in 500 centimeter cube, it means you have to make it 1000. If you double it, it will automatically will be double. The next thing what I have to discuss is this one. Next slide. So here is the next slide. The formula for this, if I want to find the concentration, the formula for the concentration is this: C is equal to N by V. Formula for this is in the short B I write C is equal to N by V. Here they have written like this: C is equal to N by V. C is equal to M by V. Concentration, here C concentration is equal to number of moles per volume. C is equal to N by V. C is concentration, moles per decimeter cube, number of moles, and V is the volume in decimeter cube. For example, I have got a question. Calculate the concentration of the solution formed as 0.25 moles of potassium nitrate dissolved in 500 centimeter cube of water. The formula given. So after concentration, I have to calculate concentration. Easy. I know that C is equal to N by V. And I have to find C. So C is equal to number of moles I have already got. 0.25. What is the volume? How much volume is there? Yeah, volume is there even 500 centimeter cube, but I did in decimeter cube. So it is 500 divided by 1000. Okay, so here that's the same thing. It will be 0.5. So it will be, I need concentration. Remember, first of all, this is okay. This first question I'm talking about. First question. Concentration is now is 0.25 number of moles. Is it 0.25? Yeah. Divide by, if you divide this one is 0.5. So 0.5 divided by 0.25. Just you'll get the answer for that. If you divide. Second one is calculate the number of moles. So it is if you divide 0.5 by 25 is like if I remove decimal it will be 50. So 25 to the 50, 1 by 2 is 0.5. 0.5 moles per decimeter cube. Next question, if I talk about here, calculate the number of moles of 200 centimeter cube of 0.5 moles per decimeter cube. On moles per decimeter cube sodium hydroxide. I want to calculate number of moles. I need number of moles. The formula is C is equal to N by V. C is equal to N by V. I have already there, but I need number of moles. So now N is equal to CV. So N is equal to concentration. How much is 0.5 and volume is 200. I need to convert again 200 by 1000. So it will be how much? 0.5 into 0.2 is how much? 0.1 moles per decimeter cube. No, 0.5, 1 moles. This is how we will solve the questions based on moles. So now here another question based on titration. Titration means actually what we are doing, we take an acid, in one we take acid, another we take base. Okay, and we join together, we mix together, I said neutralization reaction, we want to mix together. So by mixing what will happen, you need to put an indicator. If you put an indicator, this indicator, because this is also colorless, it's also colorless, so you will never know whether the end point has come. So if you put an indicator like phenolphthalein, So you put an indicator called phenolphthalein. In presence of this phenolphthalein, now what will happen? For example, in this base and protect phenolphthalein, the color will be purple. Now when you add acid in this continuously, when you will add acid, so after the reaction it will form salt and water. The reaction will form salt plus water. As the reaction over, the color of this purple will change to colorless. So we'll say that the neutralization reaction is over. So when the reaction is over, we have this formula, M or C. So it's molarity into volume by number of moles, molarity of base by volume of base by number of moles. By this formula, we will find this anything like what I'm writing is mv by n or cp I can write. So mv by n is equal to mv by n, or I can write m1 v1 n1. This is m2 v2 by n2. Now any one if you don't know, just cross multiply, you will get the answer for that. So these are the questions based on that there are certain examples of questions which we can do. This is how so there are finally I want to conclude. So there are some triangles are there. Triangles, what was there? First is number of moles. Okay. So here is moles. Number of moles is equal to mass by mr. Over here, one is this. Another one if you want to find, number of moles is equal to volume by 24. Mind it, volume is always in decimeter cube. Another one we have that already we discussed. Another one is C is equal to N by V. Concentration is equal to number of moles by volume. And then the last one MV, M1 V1 by N1 is equal to M2 V2 by N2. These are the formulas. If you remember these formulas, definitely you are able to solve the questions based